Hey there, I'm Drew and I'm going to be your home inspector tomorrow. We encourage all of our clients to attend the entire inspection so that you can see the house through my eyes. So I know that times are crazy right now, so if you can't make it to the entire inspection, at least come the last hour so that we can go over the executive review. If you can't make it at all, I understand. I can Zoom, I can call you, I can FaceTime, whatever works best for you. We have found that our company thrives on five-star reviews, and the way to do that is to get to know each other. So let me tell you a little bit about myself. I've been with Chattanooga Home Inspector for 3 years. I'm a family man, and I love Halloween. I do a small haunted house every year, or try to anyways, but just make it really fun. I'm also the expert when it comes to radon, mold, water quality, termites, and several other services that we offer. So if you have any questions about that, just reply to this message. Can't wait to see you tomorrow.